Things of eternal value are to be cherished than that of earthly values. If you cannot beat them, you join them. Koyelo, olobote inenuze. Elada bibo sisi, atare o magagayo. Aso, atelele Jesu teme. When Peter beheld the glory of the Lord, he said, "It would have been better, Mabuwo, one for Jesus, one for Elijah, and the other for Moses." Oza ute mi Peter gagao. In Ecclesiastes, there is time for everything. A time to let things happen and a time to make things happen. Overtaking is allowed. Yourself